We are on the Maritime City Peninsula. Today, dear investors, I want to show you a project called Amna by the developer Amna. Just look at how beautiful it is here, how pleasant it is, and how easy it is to breathe. The sea breeze, the waterfront. I have 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments for sale here, as well as a 2-level penthouse. Today, I will try to convey the entire atmosphere of this project. Our location is a very promising one. Maritime City is currently gaining immense popularity and demand. Dear investors, this will be a really great investment for rental or for personal living, so stay with me. Today, there will be a lot of interesting things. Oh well, dear investors, we are currently at the project by the developer Omniyat, and I want to present to you and show you the penthouse, which is located on the very top floor. To be more precise, it's a 2-story plex. Let's take a complete walk through, and you'll feel this atmosphere. It's so cool here. So look, we are now in the very heart of the duplex. This is an enormous living room. Please pay attention. A little later, I'll show you the stunning views that open up. Let me remind you that these penthouses, this project is located on the Maritime City Peninsula, which is currently gaining immense popularity. Look how bright it is here. And check out the wide French windows we have. The double height is about 6 meters. Imagine putting a huge one here. You could set up a cool couch here with a Dolby system and a TV, but for now, the developer has just put in a minimalist interior to give you an idea of how you can smartly arrange everything here. Well, here you can see the demonstration kitchen. Everything is in this latest design. Look, the hood is here, the cooktop and the Miele oven is fully integrated. A wine cabinet, the brand is Miele. It looks like this. We also have stunning open views here. Next, let's head over to this area where we have the laundry zone. And here we have, and take a look right away. Across from here is the kitchen where your assistant will be working. Here she cooks and brings it here. This serves as a demonstration kitchen. You can put a small table there for dining and having meals with the family. Here too in this one, or let me show you the other one. You can also see the windows, very beautiful, all in the same style. Everything is in marble. Here's a little restroom for your assistant. All right. Let's go. Next, here we have a guest restroom, and here's the entrance, and then the stairs go up. Let's head up the stairs and I'll show you the amazing views and the fantastic space up there. Imagine as you go up, you have this gorgeous view of all of Dubai, the island, and beyond Dubai, the island and Maritime City. Dear friends, investors, there is an enormous future ahead. There will be a lot of greenery here. The developers are planning that. Right now, everything is being beautifully upgraded. Look, we have a room here that isn't technically considered a bedroom. You can meditate here or hang out with friends. It's very functional too. Now I'll show you, friends, the master bedroom. So this is our first room. This is how it all looks with the cabinets. Check out this awesome restroom. And over there is a really nice master bedroom. All right, friends, let me show you the office that's right here. There are also a lot of storage spaces, and here too, there are storage areas. And here is this huge room. Take a look at it a bit. I'll step back a lot. The developer has made cabinets for storage as well as a restroom here. So what awaits us, friends, in the master bedroom? You can't imagine how cool it's going to be there now. And the restroom and a huge room. Let's just find it now. Maybe it will be right here. Yes, this is it. Look here. Dear friends, how truly magnificent it is, all in marble. Indeed, the developer will finish the whole place very well with 2 showers and a bathtub. Just imagine these stunning views you have from the bathtub, how great it would be to spend time here and enjoy such peace and solitude. So this is the master bedroom, and now, friends, let's head out to the terrace. and I'll show you the stunning views that open up from our penthouse. Cool project. And here we are again. Let me show you the living room, and now we're stepping out onto this huge terrace. Look how big it is, about 20 square meters. Just imagine. And you have such luxurious ones. The views are opening up. Just look at this turquoise water. Look down, here we will have a huge Aminaraji project. A lot of greenery here. You can see all of Dira. The canal is very beautiful. Dubai looks like it's in the palm of your hand. As you can see, stunning views are opening up here. A park and huge houses are being built. Further along, Omniyat projects will offer luxurious Dorchester branded apartments. A beautiful waterfront is planned, as real estate here has been in demand for a long time. Next, there will be projects from Omniyat, very luxurious branded apartments from Dorchester. So actually here we will have a very, very beautiful waterfront, as people have been looking for real estate here for a long time. You've probably heard of the developer. Omniyat is one of the luxury developers that has already made a name for itself with projects like Dorchester. They are very, very popular. And so that you, dear investors, understand, prices have increased 2, 3, 4, 5 times since the start of sales. So here we are now. Penthouses are unique types of real estate, like trophy lots, that will always be in demand, as always. Of course, it's very rare, and if you purchase this penthouse, you could make a small upgrade. This will truly be a worthwhile investment. Here's the entrance area of our project. Please pay attention. Everything looks really, really beautiful like this. There are also high ceilings. Look, dear friends, at the quality of the finishes. Everything is so great and beautiful. The sofas are really awesome. The reception area, it's really great. Imagine the building was constructed 2 years ago. Look how beautiful it is. And here we have this entrance, elevator group. Everything is really great here. And now, dear investors, we've arrived at the parking lot. Look how cool and beautiful it is here. Yes, here's this luxurious parking lot, completely covered in greenery. Here you go, everything is very, very modern. Now we'll walk outside and I'll show you how much greenery there is here. Everything looks really beautiful. Look, dear friends, right next to us is an area for pull-ups, see? It's great. You can work out there. Imagine how awesome that is. Now I'll show you the waterfront. Here's our little house. It's very peaceful. Right now, you know, the weather is so nice. It's the season, the sun is shining, and the waterfront is great. Look at the mature trees. Please pay attention to how beautiful it is. Here we are. Look, friends. What a gorgeous waterfront. You step out and it's just, oh, how wonderful, how great it is. And most importantly, look at how clear the water is. Very nice indeed. Let me show you, as you can clearly see, a little bit more of this entire area. So here we are now in the pool area. Look, yes, how cool. The board is beautiful. A little bit of renovation is needed there to improve the area more. So overall, look how great it is. They're finishing everything up. Let's say what a nice, pleasant area this is. Imagine how great it is for the people who live right here on the first floors, stepping out from their terrace like this and going for a swim. You see, here's the area, a little children's area, just a small step, and you're right out to the pool. Isn't it great? What a stunning view of the sea. Everything here will be completely built up. Awesome, awesome. And here, look, we are now going down. We were by the pool. And down the terrace board here, down the steps, we're going down to the gym below. Here we have the women's. and men's restrooms. Let me just quickly show you. This is how it all looks. The lighting here is always beautiful in the evening. Well, let's go down. And as we're going down, you can see we have these French windows. Well, look, friends, how luxurious this tech gym is. Everything is really great and beautiful. It's awesome. Just look, everything is fantastic. The panoramic view is really great, and there's equipment for all muscle groups, plus a pull-up bar. What more do you need? Please, if you need ready-made real estate, you can easily purchase it here. And here's a zone for yoga. It's just gorgeous. Yes, and meditation and yoga. Look at this area, how great it is. That's cool. Yes. We are currently in the one-bedroom apartment from the Anwa project by the developer Omniyat, located in the Maritime City Peninsula. Now I will show you the apartment. It's for sale and available. The apartment is over 90 square meters. Very nice, take a look. Let's now head out to the balcony, and I'll show you the breathtakingly amazing views. It opens up directly to Dubai Island. Look over there. It's really beautiful and absolutely stunning. On the Palm area, we have not only just an entire old town, but also a marina for yachts. It's so beautiful here in this place where everything feels serene and peaceful. And this whole area has a lovely pool, which you will love seeing. Here, let me show you a nice balcony. It's big and spacious. It just flows nicely. Now look at the two bedrooms completely. I mean, it has two windows, so it's quite a large balcony. And now we're entering the bedroom. It's also very big and spacious. Overall, it's just great. So, look at the two bedrooms completely. I mean, there are two windows, which makes for a nice big balcony. And now we're entering the bedroom. It's also very big and spacious. Overall, it's just great. The building was completed 2 years ago, but the developer has now decided to sell the apartments. Apparently, they were leaving them. I don't know. Maybe for someone, look. Everything is neat and tidy. And here are some closets. This is the room. Here we have a toilet, a bath. You see a nice mirror, big, and a countertop. There's marble everywhere on the floor. Also marble. This is the guest bathroom. Everything is very high quality. And plus, all the appliances you see are from Gorenje, very high quality. The countertop has a dishwasher. You see, everything is very clear. Look how great this one-bedroom apartment is. So friends, if you're interested, just write to me. It's a ready-to-move-in home. Please, here in Maritime City is gaining immense popularity right now, and there will be huge demand. You'll have a huge park, a cool promenade for walking, plus the developers will be planting massive trees, mature ones, creating lots of lagoons. This is truly the future. There's also a two-bedroom apartment with absolutely the same quality. It's the last one left. The two-bedroom apartment has already been taken, so just write to me if you're interested.
Well, dear investors, I've tried to convey the entire atmosphere of our project, our peninsula. If you're interested in the apartments, these are ready-to-move-in apartments. You can write to me. You'll find my contact information below in the description, and I'll get in touch with you and guide you on how to properly and profitably book these apartments. Thank you, friends, for watching.